The content on this channel has been created for adults. If you're not at least 13 years of age or older, then please do not watch this content. Sorry, dude. Come back when you're 13. Yo, what's up, family? Welcome back to Off Tap Live. Always a pleasure to be kicking it down a notch with the best family on the tube. The best family on the tube. The best family on the tube. You already know, guys. Always my favorite time of the day, week, month, year. This is my favorite time, man, when I'm connecting with my lovely family. Love you guys so much. Hope you all are staying safe. Now, if you're new to the channel and this is your first time and you don't know what I'm even talking about, what do you mean best family, Faith? What do you mean? How could it be the best family? What are you talking about? Well, funny you should ask. We're the best family, simply put, because of one word: love. That's right, we got the love factor in abundance. It's happening, it's going down all the time. Because this is Off Tap Live, where we keep it off tap, where we're living each moment to the fullest. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You feeling me? Anyways, guys, we're going to get into this. We got a reaction request right here. And this one is from Alma. Y'all know Alma. Alma, what up? What up, Alma? What up, Alma? How you doing? Alma be coming up with some really dope requests, man. Like, you know, Alma just be doing it, you know what I'm saying? Just coming up with some good stuff. Alma's playlist is freaking incredible. The stuff that Alma be coming up with, I'm like, whoo, you go, girl. You go, girl. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and chuck this one out here. This one right here, man, is the Eagles. Life in the Fast Lane. Farewell One Tour 2005, and I managed to find the 4K remastered version of this. So yeah, it's going to be quality, guys. So without further ado, from me, for Alma, for all of you, let's get this rolling. Oh wait, did it say it was live in Melbourne? I think I saw that. Did that say that, guys? It did. Live from Melbourne is a double DVD by Eagles released in 2005. It was filmed in Melbourne, Australia at the Rod Laver Arena, guys. November 14th, 15th, 17th, 2004. What? That is interesting. And this song was written by Joe Walsh, Glenn Frey, Don Henley, and recorded by the American rock band The Eagles on their 1976 studio album Hotel California. It was the third single release from this album. Now this is what I like. I like when people drop info in the description like that, because it's very helpful for me. Because, you know, when I don't know what I know, I can look down there and be like, oh, I tell you so. Because down there, they got it all written there so you can understand what's going down with the show. All right, let's go.
He was a hard-headed man. He was brutally handsome, y'all. She was terminally pretty. She held him up and he held her
Woo.
Are you with me so far?
Yo.
Eager for action and hot by the game. Calling attraction. They got by their name. They knew all the right people. They took all the right pills. They threw outrageous parties. They paid heavy bills.
All right, so many things I want to say because I'm feeling so many things, but let me start by saying, firstly, man, this is a vibe, dude. This is a vibe. When you thinking about things that are vibe in life, this is a vibe, man. This is just a head bopping vibe. That good feel, man. That Yo, I like this. I like this song. Like the vibe, and I also want to thank the person who like remastered it to 4K because this quality is looking crispy. It is looking crispy. They've done a really good job of bringing that 4K action to this, man. It looks really good. I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. And also just the visuals on the whole, the stage, the way that they've got the effects in the back and the staging and everyone placed and the audio quality in general, everything about this is just on point. Like they've done a really good job with this show. And Melbourne, for you guys that don't know, is a city in Australia where I'm currently living. I'm living in, well, I'm not living in Melbourne at the moment. I'm living up north in Queensland, which is a state in Australia. But down in Melbourne, I used to live in Melbourne. That was the first place I lived when I first moved to Australia. I lived in Melbourne, Australia. Beautiful city. Oh man, they got trams and stuff in the streets. The trams almost got me freaked out, man. They got this hook turn thing, man. You got to do. You pull over, and when the light is like turns yellow and getting ready to turn red, you can go. Huh? It was crazy, dude. And you're pulling it. Yeah. Story for another day. But Melbourne, cool city, dude. I live by the beach down there, man, and so cool. Love Melbourne, man. Love Melbourne. So yeah, man, this is awesome. I love it. Let's keep going with it. Let's keep going.
Eyes on the mirror, eyes on the face. She pretended not to notice. She was caught up in the rain. Every evening, until it was light, he was too tired.
Woo! Play it. Play it. Yo. Yo. Oh, dude. Wow. That was dope. That was dope. Yo, hey, that was really, really, really good. I enjoyed that. That was a freaking vibe and a half. That took you there, man. That took you there. I told you, when you feeling like you need a vibe, a little bit of a vibe in your life, why don't you throw that on? Throw that on right there, man. Life in the fast lane. Life in the fast lane, man. Life in the fast lane. Come on, Eagles. The Eagles, dude. I told you all this. I say this a lot of times, and you guys know I say this, but like, there's this one thing that happens as you grow older, and it's that fine wine syndrome. Certain things like this makes it very apparent that as a fine wine does, it gets better with time. Artists, bands who are already performing at this elite level, who are already doing their thing, who've already since day one been putting in the work ethic, the wrench time, been putting in everything that they could do and living their passion to the fullest. By doing so consistently over a period of time, and as you continue to grow older and things like that, you get tighter and tighter and tighter with your performances, with your songs. It just becomes second nature because you've done it so many times repetitively that you can only improve. It's like anything. The more you do it, the better you become at it. The better you become at it. The more you do it, the more you're going to kick some booty. You know what I'm saying? And that's them, man. They're at their prime, dude. Now, when they did this, they were at their prime. They were at their peak performance levels because they've been doing it so long that now it's just like freaking eating cake for them. Eating cake. So there's some merit in allowing your wine to mature, you know what I mean? Because it just gets better over time. Like this performance, man, like I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, like it's so cool to see just how perfectly executed the whole show was. We're talking everything. You know, sometimes certain aspects of a show might be a little bit like, I don't know. It was okay, but the audio, man, the audio wasn't right. You know, they didn't mix it right. I've been in those places where it's like, dude, the show would have been better if the audio was better, man. Just too much bass or too much treble, or it wasn't loud enough, or it was too loud, or it was too echoey, or too much too much that, too much this. To me, from what I could hear from this vantage point, sounded freaking perfecto. Perfecto mando. Perfecto. Hey, did you go to the show? Yes. Was it good? No, it was perfecto. That's what they did. They freaking took it to where it needed to go. Flawlessly perfecto. That's all I'm saying. Perfecto. www.perfecto.com. Eagles, Life in the Fast Lane is featured on the homepage there. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, man. Really good stuff. This is a really good request, Alma. Thank you for this request. And this particular version that I just happened to find at the top of the list, I'm really happy I found really good quality. It just enhances the whole performance, you know, when, you know, the experience. And, you know, when you got that type of extra crispy quality happening, you know, it just makes it that much more warm and fuzzy. Yeah. So thank you very much. I appreciate it, Elma. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for rocking and rolling with the best family on the tube. You already know. You already know. Ow. And guys, yeah, look, yeah. really, 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 really want to leave a positive message for you guys. Like always. These times in particular, you should be reminded of one important thing, and that is that life is precious, life is unpredictable, and life, unfortunately, we can't control everything that happens in said life. But what we can do is control what we do with each and every moment. Each of those moments, as I always say, we should live to the fullest. To the fullest. Those moments are precious. You cannot get them back. Once a moment is gone, it's gone. Time is the most precious and valuable of all things. Time. So each moment, there's no price tag for each moment. So don't waste your moments. Live each moment to the fullest. Live each moment in the fast lane. And keep it off tap. In case I don't want to freaking fall and drop everything on film, that just sucks. Alright guys, we're gonna do a little mission right now. Alright, this is just for you guys. We gotta get out of here! We gotta get out of here! I'll catch you guys later for another vlog!